Welcome back to Applied Algebra. We are starting in Chapter 9, the Systems of Linear Equations chapter. We're going to start by solving our systems with the option of graphing. A system of equations is two or more equations, and in this section we're only going to focus on two. And the idea is that a solution is the intersection that makes all equations true. So we have three scenarios that could occur. The first one graphically is where two lines intersect, and so we have a single solution. Of course, we have one intersection. We could have the second situation where we have parallel lines. In this case, there is no intersection, so there's no way we can make both equations happy, and therefore there is no solution. So you'll need to go back to the drawing board. In the third case, we have actually graphed both equations, but it doesn't look like it because they are lying directly on top of each other. This is called coinciding lines. There are infinite intersections because they are directly on top of each other. And therefore there are infinite solutions. So we're going to solve one of these three. Now I'm just going to show an example of one, and if they cross once, then that right where they cross is your answer. If they don't cross at all, it's no solution, and if they look like there's one equation, you'll just write infinite solutions for your answer. So when you're going about doing this, the first thing you'll have to do is solve each equation for y. You will then graph each of them separately but on the same graph. So we're doing just like we did in Chapter 8. And then we're going to find out where they cross or where they touch each other. So the first example that's given here, the first equation in my example is x plus y equals 1. So I'm going to solve this for y. So I'm going to minus x. So I get y equals negative x plus 1. The 1 is my y-intercept, and this is negative 1 over 1, which is my slope. So it's saying I'm going to go down 1 and right 1. So I'm going to start at positive 1, and I'm going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. So all of these points are on my line, and I don't have a ruler, so I'm just going to do the best I can trying to make a straight line. Of course, if you're doing your assignment, I would definitely recommend using a ruler. So I'm done with the first one. So now I'm going to go to the second one. So I have 2x minus y equals 4. So I'm going to minus the 2x. I get negative y equals negative 2x plus 4. I'm going to divide by negative 1. So I end up with y equals 2x minus 4. The minus 4 is my y-intercept. The 2 is my slope. It's saying go up to right 1. So I'm going to start at negative 4, up to right 1, up to right 1, up to right 1. And again, no straight edge, but I'm going to do my best to try and make a straight line. So the solution is where the lines cross. Unfortunately, they don't cross in a nice place, so I'm just going to do my best to estimate, which is the downfall of doing this process by graphing. If they don't cross at one of these nice intersections, all you can do is estimate. So my estimate is 1.5 and negative 1/2. So this is my estimate of the solution. If it does cross at an exact, then you go ahead and write that answer down. Otherwise, you'll give me an estimation. So go ahead and work on section 9.1. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.